स्टूडेंट्स आज सॉल्व कर रहे हैं आईएसएस का क्वेश्चन पेपर जो आया था 2022 में। आज पेपर 1 पूरा करेंगे। इसमें क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 से स्टार्ट करते हैं। सपोज xn n greater than equal to 1 is a sequence of independent random variables and for n greater than equal to 1 x takes the value -n/2 -n and n by 2 and n with the probability 1/4 each. तो चलिए इक्वल प्रोबेबिलिटी वाला गेम है। देन द सीक्वेंस y n equal to 1 by n square converges in probability to 0 if and only if what happens. Okay. Okay. So to determine the convergence of probability of yn to 0 अगर हम लोग को निकालना है, so we have to consider the condition of the parameter a. Okay, so the convergence of probability we need yn to converge to 0 as n approaches infinity. So this means that probability is yn. Analyze करते हैं, so yn equal to into the power a and summation of I equal to 1. So this is xi by I. So since ये जो summation है, this portion has an expectation e of summation of xi by I. So this is minus 7n by a into h. Okay, so we need to examine the behavior of hm. So हार्मोनिक सीरीज है यहाँ पर. So we consider the term 1 by n to the power a को अगर ले लेंगे ये. So if a greater than 1, this approaches to 0 as n tends to infinity. Okay, so however if a less than equal to 1 अगर हो जाता है तो क्या होगा? तो 1 by n to the power a doesn't approach to 0 as n approaches to infinity. So therefore yn converges to 0 if and only if a is greater than 1. ये है सही आंसर. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. A certain city receives 3 newspapers A, B and C. Newspaper A has 50% of the random readers, B 30. सब दिया हुआ है. Probability that 6 randomly chosen at city 3 will read the newspaper, 2 will read the newspaper B and 1 will read the newspaper C. So we can use the concept of binomial probability. So let's break down the concept one by one. So probability of selecting readers for newspapers अगर लेंगे. So newspaper A has 50% readers. So the probability of selecting this is 0.5. B का होगा 0.3. C का होगा 0.2. So the number of ways to choose readers. So we need 3 readers for newspaper A. 3 रीडर चाहिए न्यूज़पेपर ए के लिए, 2 रीडर चाहिए बी के लिए, 1 रीडर चाहिए न्यूज़पेपर सी के लिए. So out of total 6. The number of ways to choose is follows binomial coefficient. So C n of k equal to n factorial k factorial into n minus k factorial. So in this case, the number of ways to choose 3 readers for newspaper A out of 6 is 63. Similarly, number of ways to choose 2 readers of newspaper B out of the remaining 3 is 3C. Okay, so let's find out the final calculation. So probability में यह हिसाब से अगर जाएंगे, probability of 3 readers of A to C, so ये होगा 0.5 whole to the power 3 into 0.3 square into 0.2 to the power 1 into 6C3 into 3C2. Okay, simplify करेंगे 0.5 क्यूब 0.3 स्क्वायर 0.2 ये 20 आएगा PC2 is 3, so here finally आएगा 27 by 200, so therefore the probability is this and answer is D.